Hey, welcome class. This is going to be your tutorial on how to do the protest music assignment number 1. So the first thing we need to do is follow the instructions and see what's going on. So day 3 assignment, vocabulary music element chart. So step 1 is to create a creative demonstration. So you're going to create a chart using a digital program of your choice, PowerPoint or Word, that shows or meets the following requirements. So we're going to do it based off the 2 to 3 elements from what we did earlier that you can identify in your protest song. You're going to provide the definitions for each of them, as well as provide references in the song that you found those elements in, and give your opinion on why the artist did that. Okay, and you'll submit your work by doing a doc, PDF, or PDF file. So here's an example of what you can do for the chart. So we have term type, term, definition, reference, and purpose. But before we do that, let's go ahead and pick our song. So I chose to do Beyonce, Run the World, because yes, it is a protest song. Okay. Hopefully you've seen it before, but that's just for reference for you for what I'm doing here. So in order to fill out this chart, I'm going to simply just drag and copy, Control C, and then I'm going to open up Microsoft Word. You can go to the side tablet in Office 365 to do that. Mine's already open. I'm going to go to a new document, and once it loads, again, it's taking its sweet time. It happens though. All we're going to do is go Control V or Edit Paste to make that happen. Sometime today. Alright, here we go. So, we'll simply go Control V and then it shows up. We can there just take out what we need, because this was the example they gave you and we don't want to use the example. We want to create our own content for this section. So we'll just delete this real quick. Okay. And then we're going to put down here, term type, we're going to say music element or musical element 1, music element 2, and then we're going to create another one. If we double click here, we're going to get this nice little slide section down here. We're going to insert, and we're going to do a row below, and that's going to make a third row, so we can do musical element 3. Okay, again, if I were to see where those two lines are, if I were to double click again and hit insert row, insert below, it's going to come in there. Okay. So awesome. We have term 1, 2, 3. And here's a copy of what I did that's already complete. So music element 1, music element 2, music element 3. My 3 elements were rhythm, melody, and tone. And I break down and give the definition: a series of long and short notes. A reference, I chose at minute 1:12. Beyonce uses a loop that happens when she repeats the chorus in the song. Just giving you an idea of where that is or what I'm talking about. It is this section. That little yelling thing in the background. So that was my reference for that section. And they say, this rhythm loop was used to enhance the melody so that the second time you heard it, it is more exciting than the first. That's exciting and engaging for any audience member. I also gave my references and definitions for melody as well as tone. Okay, if you don't remember where to find that, okay, if we were to go back one page from here, and I'll just do that real quick. Previous. Boom. You have the infographic I created that has all 8 elements that we're talking about, as well as their definitions. Okay. You're also more than welcome to look at the actual dictionary versions of the definitions as well. Okay. So let's go back forward. Oops. So here we are. I've completed this part of the assignment. and I need to submit. First things first, I need to create a title for it. This is music assignment 1, so I'm going to call this protest music assignment 1. Right, and it's going to save it. I want to save as, and we're just going to download a copy. Okay, what that does is it saves it right down here. So when we go back now and go to submit assignment, I click on it, says choose file. It should pop up in my brand new ones, but I called it protest music. So I'm going to scroll until I get to the P's. L, I'm getting close, M, Mike, my protest music assignment 1. Click on the open, submit assignment. Congrats, you're done. That's all you have to do for this project. Okay, best of luck.